You searched how to buy shares of Smurfit WestRock Public Limited Company. Smurfit WestRock is a global packaging and corrugated board manufacturer listed on LSE PLC under the ticker SWR.L. This is for educational purposes only and not investment advice. To buy the stock, you need a broker account. I will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you will be asked to verify your account, usually by uploading a photo ID, and to add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search box and type the ticker SWR.L to find the listing. Make sure you select the LSE entry that corresponds to Smurfit WestRock Public Limited Company. On the asset page, you will see a short company description and a price chart showing recent trading. Confirm the name, exchange, and ticker to ensure this is the correct Smurfit WestRock stock. Click the Invest or Buy button, enter the amount you want to invest, and review order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed when the market opens. And if you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. Your new position will appear in the portfolio or holdings view where you can monitor it. For convenience, the link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the same steps.